asking like, oh, what do you want to do? Like, I don't care, just pin me. Like, okay, we'll come down to the armory and we'll just have a little ceremony or a little formation, whatever. It's like perfect, short, to the point. I don't care.
For me, Corporal was cool because I had Tom pin me. And then for Sergeant, I'm having my staff sergeant when I was at MEC pin me.
Yeah, I had Ash
he
pin
was
me for
super
Corporal.
excited when I told him I'm picking up. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, the staff sergeant I told that I was picking up and I wanted him to pin me. He was so excited.
Which is funny because like my whole section's like, who the fuck's this guy?
Yeah, my unit's gonna be pretty pissed when that staff sergeant shows up because they're all about having their own pin him.
Oh, he's not even in your unit?
I guess because like my buddy has a sergeant now. He's in my shop. They gave him shit. They're like, because he had someone come from a completely different unit to pin him.
I remember when I told my captain that I wanted my buddy, or when I wanted Ash to pin me, I was like, oh, I want my buddy to do it. She's like, oh, well, we don't really do that here. I'm like, well, that's not really a we don't do that here thing. It's a Marine Corps thing that anyone can pin you. So she's like, oh, I'll see what we can do about that. I'm like, yeah.
You can fucking postpone your fucking promotion ceremony if you want.
Yeah, I know.
That.
That's why she's like, oh, we don't do that here. I'm like, bullshit, we don't do that here. Like, I just told her, like, that's not really a unit thing. That's a Marine Corps thing. You can have anyone you want pin you. And she's like, oh, we'll see what we can do about that. And I got a call like 2 hours later, like, oh yeah, you can have a pin. It's like, damn straight. Oh, we got bombers inbound. Where's our carrier? Do we have a carrier? We do have a carrier. Yeah. Oh, way off in front of us. Well, I can support you for AA, but they're not coming for you.
21.
I'm guessing they're going for that either New Mexico or that Wyoming.
Oh man, I didn't realize how we're outnumbered. We have 3 mini-Kazis, 2 Clevelands.
Let's see. We got 2 Clevelands, so we have the advantage.
It's gonna be rough.
They do have air advantage.
You think so?
Yeah. Have you not seen how OP the Cleveland is?
Huh?
Have you not seen how OP the Cleveland is with me?
Yeah, I know.
Well, then again, this other guy could just suck, so.
That's why, for the cruiser, I'll use all the free XP to get closer to the fucking Cleveland. It feels so good to be back. I'm going for the Wyoming.
One right there, 17 out.
One right there, 17 out.
The one I'm facing, yeah. Same one you're looking at, probably.
Yeah, I'm right next to you.
Yeah, I'm right next to you.
Yeah, that's why I realized when you said the one right there, like I was supposed to know what right there means, and then I saw you next to me.
What's up, bruh?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, I didn't hit.
I fell short.
Yeah, mine was short too.
Well, that was my max range, so.
Oh. Mine was just bullshit.
I set him on fire.
Started fire? Oh yeah, nice.
Oh, you put it out. What an asshole. That's at me. Yep. Let's start another fire. You like all those hits?
Yeah.
This thing's so fucking accurate. Set him on fire again.
Wow, he's gonna get out of range. God damn it. I got 2 hits.
I need to leave. There's a destroyer coming up on my left. Grabbing Ash.
Yeah, I'm just letting him go.
Got your AA.
Actually, oh,
Anti-aircraft gun crews are on normal.
Saved your ass. You see those torpedo bombers coming for you?
fuck, there's a cruiser and a destroyer in front of me.
On the Omaha?
I'm fucked. There's an Omaha and a Clemson.
I wouldn't worry about the Clemson.
Pew Pew Joe.
You need to send out torps though. Now you're too far, you need to send out torps.
The Clemson won't be a problem. It's the fucking... The other one, or the Omaha won't be a problem.
Oh, I'm shooting at the Omaha right now. Fuck. I'm getting focused hardcore. I got the Clemson though.
Oh, the Wyoming's back. And he didn't work on me.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Got torps inbound.
I dodged torps. I didn't even know the torps were coming at me and I dodged them. That was all accidental.
Kill this Wyoming! Alright!
What are you yelling about?
I'm almost dead. Nope, I got him. I killed the
Damn it.
Omaha, the Clemson, and the Wyoming. Look at my health, I'm almost dead.
Nice.
Watch out behind you, there's a Gremnashi, or to your left rather. Oh shit, I need a fucking dip. No, I'm gonna try and get the Gremnashi. Before he can get some torps at you. Oh, too late. I didn't make it in time. Well,
Freaking on fire.
I guess the St. Louis is next.
Yeah, I'm dying. God damn it, man. Why did I kill so easily?
I'm dead. Oh, I almost took out that St. Louis. Is he on fire? Yes, he is, but he's not burning fast enough.
Huh?
Well, I'm hoping my fire burns out the St.
I'm
Louis,
hopping
but...
out.
Yeah,
I'm gonna hop on the Omaha.
alright. Man, we fucking destroyed them. But we don't have enough people, so we're gonna
what the
lose.
hell? Server temporarily unavailable.
Just give it a couple minutes.
Are you still on?
Yeah.
It won't let me back on.
Yeah, it's probably because I'm in a game. It's probably down for like a quick reset.
Alright, well, I'm gonna hop off then.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go to bed then. I'm gonna
Yeah, 'cause it's
watch the
late
rest
shit
of this
for you.
game. It's only 4 in the morning.
Alright, dude, I'll talk to you later.
Alright, I'll see it.